All right, top cast finish, wash finish, exposed sand finish, a lot of different finishes. I don't know, everybody calls it something different. They use a top cast, comes in a bucket, they put the chemical on, and then they spray it on evenly, hopefully. Then they come back and power wash it off like the next day to try to get this heavy washed finish. Everybody loves it. It looks really cool when it all works out, but it doesn't always work out exactly as planned. So that's where Sandblaster comes in. I'm able to go and finish or touch up the finish that they did and give it more of an even look. Not exactly what they did, not as rough as what they did, but let me show you what they got. So this finish here, we're gonna call this the KB Homes model home finish, because this finish right here, everybody loves this heavy finish. But I'll tell you what, look at, that's how rough that finish is. It will literally take the skin off of your hand. So I mean, it's great for non-skid, but super hard to broom. You throw some dirt on here and try to broom it, good luck.
And you really don't want it on your bare feet around your pool.
You don't want it on your bare feet around the pool. So let me take you guys over here and show you what it looks like on the stairs. All right. So this finish looks great. Got a nice finish. This is what it looks like after I repaired it. Let me show you what it looks like over here. Follow me. This is what it looked like before we got here. Okay, so we had a lot of bad marks like this. Okay, you see all these marks. These are undone marks. You see how uneven this looks? I mean, you got bad marks here. You know, when you look this way, over here, hold it right there. Perfect, perfect. So this here, you can see how uneven all this is. This we did, this we are gonna do on the next visit. So this will be in the next video. We might show you how we do this, but this is the finished area. Notice how crisp and clean it looks. This, let's take a look at some real bad areas. Come over here. This is the damage you can do with a power washer. Okay, you see these? These here? These are your power washer marks from running that washer back and forth and back and forth. Right here, cutting in here, and it just starts to dig into the concrete. And this here needs to come off. This is still your original surface. So that's what we're here doing, is cleaning up all these areas and trying to make this look as uniform as possible. But a lot of people ask me, can I fix Topcast? Is it ruined? Hey, the contractor did a horrible job. I'm gonna say there's a chance that he didn't do a horrible job. Some of the best contractors out there aren't able to pull off this kind of a finish. I mean, it is a tough finish. This is a large area, so perfect conditions. You have everything flowing off into the dirt, so that's good for them, but it's still hard to do. So you have problems, we can fix it. That's what we're doing here. So here's some more areas here. You see this is just not even touched. This is your original cement surface. This is the exposed. So with sandblasting, we're able to go in and get most of that out. It's still from an angle, you're gonna see it, but for the most part, we're able to get that out. Now this finish here, I'm gonna tell you guys, you do not want to do this on your pool deck. It's just super rough. That's my opinion. It's just too rough to run on. Your feet will be raw. I don't know if you ever seen Pebble Tech in a pool where you try to play and your toes get raw. Same thing will happen if this is on your pool deck. Your dog's gonna lose his hair because he's laying on this. It's like sandpaper. So sandblasted finish is a great finish, looks the same, but doesn't have quite as rough of a texture. So Topcast, wash finish. They call it all kinds of different things. This is what we're dealing with. Look at how nice that looks there. See where we finished here? This looks so nice and crisp. And this was one of the worst areas here. So we were able to get this looking pretty good. This here. So these areas here, we can definitely fix that. We can make this look a lot nicer. Those are just areas that weren't exposed enough. Didn't get enough top cast on there, didn't get enough chemical, whatever you might be using. That we can make nice and even, get rid of these bad areas. So yes, top cast we can repair. It is doable, not impossible. So that's the good news. If you guys had your contractor do top cast, washed, exposed sand finish, you can fix it with sandblasting if it looks horrible. So don't feel like you're in a bind. There's a lot of people in your situation. It's not the contractor's fault all the time. Sometimes it is, but not every time. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. If you found value in this, click the thumbs up. Other than that, we're going to be back here tomorrow doing the rest, and I'm going to put that video out next. So if you want to see that, click the bell. You get a notification when it goes out, and click the subscribe if you want to see other stuff. But I got a lot of different things. But this is a situation where we have top casted concrete, didn't turn out too well. Homeowner, contractor is not happy, and we are here to repair it. So that's what we're doing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.